Hi friends, it's Miss Andrea. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some binoculars that you can use for your nature walk. So these are all the supplies you're going to be needing to make your own binoculars. So you can use a paper towel roll instead of toilet paper rolls, but you're going to have to cut it in half. So I want to cover my binoculars with paper first before I start decorating it. So I'm going to measure the roller over the paper and make marks so I can cut the paper to the right size. And I couldn't find a ruler, so I'm just going to use a different paper to make the line all the way down. And then next you cut the paper so that it's going to be the right size for the binoculars. And then I got a glue stick and covered the whole roll so that the paper can stick to it. I also put some glue on the paper so that the roll will stick really well to the paper. And then I rolled up the roll on the paper, and then I'm going to cut it so it's going to be the right size. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the second roll, so both of them will be covered with the white paper. So now that both rolls are covered with paper, I'm going to tape them together so then I can start decorating. So I'm going to place both rolls together, and then I'm going to tape both of the edges together so that they'll stay. So now both rolls are taped together, and next I'm going to punch 2 holes on the very top so the string will go through there. Next it's time to decorate. So I cut up some squares with some colorful paper, and I'm going to glue them onto my binoculars. But you can use anything. You can use stickers, you can use paper, you can draw things on it with marker. I'm going to be drawing a little bit also on my binoculars, and they'll all be different. So I'm all done with the paper, and I'm going to draw some things. I'm all done decorating. You can do all sides if you want to, but I just did one. And now we have to put the string in. So I'm going to tie one end to one hole first. And then I'm going to make sure the string is long enough so it can fit around my head and it can hang down from my neck. And then I'm going to tie the second end to the second hole. And now we're all done with our binoculars. Now you can take them on your next nature walk.